If you're an insurance agent and you don't know what to sell, life insurance, health insurance, or Medicare, you're not alone. Everyone online is going to tell you something different. Some say life insurance is the fastest way to make money. Others say health insurance is a safer play. And others say Medicare is the only real path to wealth. So here's the truth. All three of them can work, but they'll only work if you understand how they actually work. So today, I'm going to break down all three of them in a simple way so you can figure out which path makes the most sense for you. And just so you know, you're getting this information from someone with real experience. My agency has sold millions of dollars in life insurance over the last 6 years. We've helped over 30,000 under 65 health insurance clients, and we manage well over 10,000 Medicare clients. So what I'm sharing today is not theory, it's what actually works in the real world. So let's start with the first one, life insurance. Life insurance is great for one big reason. It pays fast. Most carriers are going to advance your commission, so when you sell that policy, you're going to get paid most of the money up front. This helps agents build cash flow fast, and that's why so many people start in life insurance. You can also sell life insurance basically from anywhere. There are fewer rules and regulations than health or Medicare. You can market with ads, you could buy leads, and you could work any state as long as you're licensed. It also has many products that you can sell. Term life, whole life, IULs, final expense. You get to pick what fits the client. But life insurance has its downsides too. The first downside is chargebacks. When you get that advance, that money is not fully yours yet. If the client cancels that policy, the carrier is going to ask for that money back. And many new agents make the mistake of getting in debt because they spend that money before they make sure that policy is going to stay on the books. The second downside is this. Life insurance is not something that people use every day. People use health insurance all the time, but life insurance only pays when you die. So many clients think that they could think about it, and that makes a sale much harder at times. Persistency is also a challenge. People are quick to drop life insurance when things get tight because they see it as a luxury and not a need. So your goal is to sell a strong product like the ones with living benefits or a cash value plan. That way the client can use a policy while they're alive. That will help you keep them on the books much longer. Life insurance is good for cash flow in big cases, but it takes skills, it takes discipline, and it takes emotional selling. But now let's talk about health insurance. Under 65 health, whether that's the marketplace or the private side, it's a great business because everybody needs it. People use it, they understand it, and they know they need it, making a health insurance sale one of the easiest and simplest sales in this industry. Most of the time, the sale is simple. You show your client a few options, you shop them around, they figure out which one they like more, and they buy it. And the best part of health insurance is the residual income. You get paid every year that the client stays on the books. And over time, that's going to start piling up, making it a very attractive business opportunity. Another big benefit is that healthcare in this country is really expensive, meaning that the premiums are really, really high. And while that's not good for clients, it's actually a good thing for agents. But hold on, health insurance has its downsides too. The biggest one being cash flow, because you're not going to get big advances like you do in life insurance. You have to build your book over time, and if you don't have savings or money to market it, it could be a very slow, painful road until you get to where you want to get to. Marketing health insurance is also very competitive. Ads cost a ton of money, and you have to know what you're doing. But once you get the hang of it, it actually becomes very predictable. Under 65 also has what is known as open enrollment, and during that time, business is booming. But outside of that period, unless you know how to work with special enrollments, business tends to slow down quite a bit. Even with the downsides, health insurance is a great business model for long-term income. It's steady, it's needed, and it's much easier to close than a life insurance policy. But let's move on to Medicare. Medicare is one of the strongest business models in the entire insurance industry because unlike life or health, Medicare isn't optional. Clients must get it and they stay on it forever. This means that the retention is incredibly high, clients stay on your books for years, and the renewals are extremely strong. So if you focus on Medicare, you can truly build a retirement style income. And turning 65 or so-called aging in clients pay extremely well. The commissions are higher the first year, so you do get some sort of cash flow. Medicare plans also have amazing benefits for seniors. This makes the sale much easier because the client feels the value right away. But hold on, not so fast, because Medicare also has some serious downsides. The first and biggest one being compliance. Everything is heavily regulated by CMS. You must use exact scripts, you must follow exact rules. You can't cold call, you can't solicit, and you need permission to contact. Marketing Medicare is extremely hard because your ads must be compliant and you must track how your leads are coming in. Cash flow is also slower than life insurance, so you're going to need some patience while you're building your book. So Medicare is not for everyone, but if you can stick with it, it's one of the best long-term insurance business models in the entire industry. Life insurance is best for cash flow and big cases. Health insurance is best for steady income and simple sales. And Medicare is best for long-term wealth and high retention. They're all good, they all work. The key is in picking the one that matches your current situation, your goals, and your personality. If this video helped you understand the differences, I drop videos every week to help agents learn, grow, and make more money. Thank you for watching.